The Web Activity Creator is an extension that can be found in the Google Chrome Web Store. You add the extension to Chrome and log into your system. To create an activity, add an element, point and click to a web element to dynamically add it to the activity definition, then configure the activity details and save it. Let's look at a very simple example, a web page everybody can access, Aternity Help. Aternity Help has a search functionality. Users put a search criteria and click Go. The click on Go starts the search. Then users see a results page with the text search results. When they see the text search results, the search activity is complete. Let's use the Web Activity Creator to record this. Clicking on the riverbed icon in the top right side of Chrome launches the Web Activity Creator or brings it to the front. You click Add Element and choose the element on the web page. In this case, the Go button. We'll give the application a name and give the activity a name. We now choose the event details. First of all, state. In this case, this is a start event. Next, we see details that Web Activity Creator got directly from the browser. Page, port, path, page title. You can choose the page title to be any value or choose part of the string from the existing title. In this case, we'll choose any value. Then we have a list of events. Mouse down, mouse up, click, hover, visible, invisible, enter pressed. In this case, we'll choose mouse click. Then we have a selector indicating items on the screen. This is typically used to narrow down the selection on the screen. In this case, it actually captured all the details correctly, so we'll just click Save. Now we have to give a completion state. We'll run a search and go to the result. Notice the event notification on the right side indicating that we had a start state for the search activity for the Aternity Product Help application. Now we are on the results page and need to choose the completion state. Choose Add to the completion state and choose the element on the screen, the search results text. We'll look at the element information and choose Visible, indicating that the search is in a complete state when search result is visible. Please note that we need to narrow the selection in the selector section. There are multiple tags in this size, and we need to choose the one that has the text search results. And save. We'll clear the events notification, go back to the help page, and test this. Notice the event notifications on the right side. This was a simple application. Let's try a more Ajax-heavy application. Office 365 Outlook. We'll create an activity for creating new email and sending a new email. We'll bring the Web Activity Creator to the front and add element. Choose the element on the screen, give the application a name, give the activity the name and choose the activity state, start. Scroll down the event details, choose a click event, and save. We'll click on the new button. Notice the event notification on the right side. Add a completed state. For the sake of example here, we'll just put the add a subject placeholder. The indication for new email being complete is that the add subject placeholder is visible on the screen. And save. We'll add one more activity for the send email button. Give the activity a name and choose the state start, the event click, and save. We'll now send an email just to see what we can use for a complete state. The only new element is the undo button, but the undo button appearing is actually a common event, so we have to choose something else. We'll add a completion state to the event, choose the add subject field. When the add subject field disappears from the screen, the event is complete. And save. Let's test this. Notice the event notification. To start and complete events. And that's it. We tested the Web Activity Creator on an Ajax heavy application that is also a SaaS application. Now that we're done creating the activities in the Web Activity Creator, let's upload the activity to Aternity. First, we need to export the signature. We'll open the activity and generate a signature. We'll open the download location. This is the activity, an XML file. We now go back to Aternity and go to Manage the application. If this is an existing application, we can just edit the application and add an activity. In this case, it's a new application. So we'll add an application, give the application a name, add a base URL. Note that you can add additional base URLs and deploy it to either the test group or all users. Typically, you want to test it before you deploy it to all users. And save. We can then edit the application and add activity. We can either select the file or drag and drop files here. In this case, we'll just drag and drop the file. Click Add, and that's it. From here, we can edit the activity like we do with any other activity, but pretty much our work here is done.